I'm going to be totally honest. I just had to look at the mark scheme for this question. That's why we stopped. But I really don't like the way this question looks, because it just looks like it shouldn't be together. It doesn't really work. Now, anyway, I can write 100 here as the number 10 to the power... Oh, no, not in brackets. I can write this number as 10 to the power of 2. Okay? And that is all still to the power of a. And we're timesing that by 1,000, we can write as 10 to the power of 3. And that is still to the power of b. And if I were to kind of expand here, what we remembered from this question is that we multiply when there are brackets. So if we multiply out these brackets here, multiply the indices, we've got 10 to the power of 2a times by 10 to the power of 3b. And with that information, we can look at this question here, and we said that when we're multiplying, we add the indices. So if we're multiplying these two together, we can add the indices. So it's 10 to the power of 2a plus 3b. That is the answer to this. That is what this looks like. And it's already said it wants it in the power of 10 to the power of w. In the form of 10 to the power of w. Now, show that w is 2a plus 3b. Well, using our index rules, we have 2a plus 3b. And I'm just going to write as required. Those questions that always say, here's the answer, prove it, always tend to be quite tricky. Okay, question 22 involves using SOHCAHTOA. Now that's really tricky, and that's something that you haven't gone through yet. So this is a question I want to go through in class, mainly because I haven't got my scientific calculator here with me to do this, but also I think it's important that we can go through that together. Question 23, again, we will need a scientific calculator for this one.